Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Come let's learn another beautiful wonderful style together. Alright, so on my hand is just pieces of Akara fabric. Alright, so you can see the width and this is the length. Alright, so we are going to fold it two equal half. Alright, so pay close attention now. Let's learn another beautiful easy style that we can wear around elegantly. Alright, so folding it into two equal half. It's not compulsory that your material will be as long as this my own. Even if it's half of it, can still give you the style, but that twisted part might not be there. Alright, so plating it this way, taking my rubber band, then fasten it together. Use rubber band to hold that part that you plaited together. Pay close attention here so that you see what I did. So I'm going to take another plate now, but this time around a smaller one. It will not be as big as this one that looks like fan. I'm going to take a smaller one now. Pay close attention now. I'm taking the smaller plate. This smaller plate now, I am going to use it to create a rose in front of the head wrap when I am done. Alright, so holding it this way, you pick another rubber band, and fasten it together. This is very easy, simple style that you can wear around with your Akara fabric and you look elegant in it. I bet you. So having some of them like this, now you can see one is really high while one is small. Alright, so placing it on my head this way, I'm going to take everything to the back. Pay close attention now. Alright, so arranging it so that I'll be able to take it to the back. Alright, so this is the back now. If you want to close it, this is exactly what you're going to do. Just bring the two flaps together and let it lap, then hold it at the back, twist it and tuck it in. The back is closed, but I'm not closing it because of the hairdo. Alright, so at times because of your hairdo you might not close the back of your head wrap. So if you're not closing it, this is exactly what you are going to do. So after placing it on your head this way, arrange the side, arrange both sides, and now holding two of them together like this, you cross it at the back. Just simple crossing. I didn't knot it, just look at it. I didn't knot it, I just cross it at the back. Then now I'm going to twist. If your fabric is not long, as you take it to that back, you can knot it and tuck it in. But if the fabric is long like this one I'm having now, just twist it, raise it up this way, then use your office pin to hold it wherever it gets to. Just use your office pin to hold it there. If you get to the back, you can tuck it in there as well. Alright, so this one did not get it back, so what do I do now? I just use office pin to pin it down there. Okay, just pin it, make sure you pin it very well. Alright, so I've secured that now. So this other one now, I twisted it as well. Now placing it on top that one, I also rotated it. Watch closely, taking it up this way, then cross it to the other side, then tuck it in that and the first one that I crossed to the other side, just tuck it in. If you feel like using pin to hold it as well, all well and fine, you can go ahead and do that. So I have secured the base of the head wrap now, so let us arrange these sides that look like fan. Alright, so that bigger fan now is what I am spreading. Just spread it, the edge, bring it down and use office pin to pin it. Just use office pin to pin it down. Then this other side too, I'm going to do the same. Alright, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Entertainment on Facebook and Demi Gilly Empire on YouTube. So please do well to drop your like and your comments. Don't just watch and walk away, please. I keep begging. Yes, don't just watch and walk away. Subscribe to my channel. Just follow me on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube. Alright, so that we can learn together. All my Facebook fans, just follow me on YouTube. On Facebook we do fast videos, but on YouTube you do J video. Yes. Alright, so follow me on YouTube channel so that we can learn step by step slow head wrap. Alright, so you can see I've pinned that bigger one, the two edges down. So this one now I'm going to rotate it. I'm rotating it because I don't want it to be too big, so I keep rotating it inside so that it will be small. If I want it to be big, I'll just rotate it once and bring the two edges together and pin it, but I keep rotating it until I get the size that I want. So I'm going to use office pin to pin both edges. You watch, I hope you're seeing what I'm doing there. Alright, pay close attention. Alright, so I use my office pin now to hold the both edges together, and our head wrap is beautifully ready. Okay, so the middle now you can place your hair accessories if you want. If you don't want, you can go ahead with it this way. Alright, so please don't go away. I have another style that I will show you that you can create with this base. Very easy, very simple. You can create 2 styles or so many styles from it. Alright, so keep adjusting and pinning. As I said before, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Gale Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Please join my channel. Let us learn together. Let's learn together. Yes, let us learn together. Alright, so do well to share my videos to your family and friends if actually you're benefiting from this channel, from this YouTube channel, from this Facebook channel. I don't know. Please share my videos so that other people will also benefit, to your families and friends and all that. Share the video. You can see the first style is elegantly ready, beautifully ready. That is the side. Now that is the back. Alright, so this other side, and here we come. That is the front. So go ahead and glow in that party. I mean glow. Let your head wrap continue to shout for you. Your personality speak, your head wrap shouts. Alright, so here comes the second style now. Very easy, very simple. Just remove the pin from one side, then alright, remove the pin and raise it up this way. Bring it down the other side. Alright, raise this edge up, then bring it down this other side. Use your office pin and pin it. The second style is ready. Then you go ahead and place the hair accessories. Alright, don't mind me, I just forgot to place the hair accessories, but then you can go ahead and do it if you want. But towards the end of the video, you can see I placed the accessories. Alright, so that part I did not bring it in here. You can see that is what the second style looks like, beautifully and elegantly ready. I welcome you all my subscribers. You're beautiful, you're wonderful, new ones and old ones. Kudos to you all, and I see you in my next video.